How to start a new line in Google Sheets. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, go to your Google Chrome and then open up your Google Sheets. Now, if you go to a cell and then hit enter, then you can see that it goes to next cell but not the does not start a new line. So if you want to start a new line, you can go to the cell, and then what you need to do is tap on the last word and then hit control enter at the same time, and there you can see it starts a new line. So just remember the shortcut, that is control enter. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.